Have you ever stopped to ponder the immense mystery that is our world's sea? As vast as it is deep, the sea has always been a source of wonder and intrigue. This boundless expanse of water, stretching as far as the eye can see, is a world teeming with life, yet hides many secrets beneath its surface. The sea is not just a body of water, it's the lifeblood of our planet. It's the birthplace of life, with the earliest organisms choosing its depths as their home. Today, it continues to sustain countless species, from the tiniest plankton to the largest whales. But the sea's importance extends beyond its role as a habitat. It's a major player in our planet's climate, influencing weather patterns and regulating temperatures. The sea absorbs about a quarter of all carbon dioxide emissions, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. The sea, a world largely unexplored, yet so crucial for our existence. The sea is far from a barren wasteland. It teems with life, from the microscopic to the gargantuan. This vast underwater world is a kaleidoscope of life forms, each playing a unique role in the intricate web of the marine ecosystem. Let's start with the smallest of the sea's inhabitants, the single-celled organisms. These tiny powerhouses, like phytoplankton, form the very foundation of the marine food web. They are the unsung heroes of our planet, producing nearly half of the world's oxygen. Yes, each breath we take is a testament to these microscopic marvels. Then we have the coral reefs, the rainforests of the sea. These vibrant ecosystems host an astonishing 25% of all marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. Each coral is a colony of tiny animals, living in a symbiotic relationship with algae. The intricate structures they form provide shelter and hunting grounds for a multitude of fish and invertebrates. Moving up the size scale, we encounter the large marine mammals, the majestic whales, the agile dolphins, the lumbering manatees, and the playful seals. Each of these creatures has adapted to life in the sea in remarkable ways. Whales, for instance, have evolved to become the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth, their massive size a testament to the bounty the sea provides. Dolphins, with their sophisticated sonar, embody the intelligence and adaptability that life in the sea can engender. Each of these creatures, from the smallest plankton to the largest whale, plays a vital part in the marine ecosystem. They are links in a chain, each interdependent, each affecting the others in ways both subtle and profound. The sea is not just a body of water, it is a complex, dynamic system, a bustling metropolis of life. Each species, each individual, contributes to the whole, playing its part in the grand scheme. It's a testament to the diversity and richness of life on our planet. The sea is a bustling metropolis of life, each species playing its part in the grand scheme. The sea doesn't just house life, it fundamentally shapes our world. It's easy to overlook the immense influence the sea has on our planet, but it's undeniable. The sea is a vital player when it comes to the Earth's climate, weather patterns, and even the air we breathe. Let's start with the climate. The sea, with its vastness, acts as a colossal climate regulator. It absorbs about a quarter of all carbon dioxide emissions produced by humans. By soaking up this greenhouse gas, the sea helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. It's like a giant sponge, taking in the heat and carbon dioxide, and in return, regulating the Earth's temperature. This is a critical role, one we often take for granted, yet it has a profound impact on our lives and the world around us. Next, let's talk about weather patterns. The sea doesn't just go with the flow, it helps to create the flow. How? Through ocean currents. These massive flows of water help distribute heat around the globe. They shape our weather and climate by moving warm water from the equator to the poles and cold water from the poles back to the equator. This circulation keeps our climate in balance and influences weather patterns worldwide. Lastly, the sea plays an essential role in the air we breathe. We often credit forests for providing us with oxygen, but did you know that more than half of the world's oxygen comes from the ocean? Tiny marine plants called phytoplankton live near the surface of the sea and produce oxygen through photosynthesis. Without the sea and its microscopic inhabitants, our breathable air would be significantly less abundant. The sea's influence extends beyond its shores. It's a driving force in shaping our world, from the climate we experience to the air we inhale. It's a complex and intricate system that, despite its silent demeanor, holds immense power over our planet. The sea, a silent but powerful influencer of our world's climate and atmosphere. Despite our advances, the sea still holds many secrets from us. Imagine a world beneath the surface, teeming with life, yet shrouded in mystery. That is our ocean, a realm where light is scarce, pressure is immense, and the unexplored stretches out in all directions. One of the greatest enigmas of the sea is its uncharted depths. The deep sea, a place where light is almost non-existent, is home to some of the most alien creatures on Earth. Many of these species, adapted to the crushing pressure and pitch-dark conditions, remain unknown to us. The sheer depth and vastness of the ocean make it an arduous task to explore these dark corners. But who knows what wonders and oddities we might find in these unexplored regions? The sea is also a vast, unexplored region in itself. Despite our technological advances, we have only explored a small fraction of the ocean. The rest remains a mystery, waiting to reveal its secrets. What lies beneath these uncharted waters? Could there be undiscovered species, or perhaps geological formations that could shed light on the history of our planet? The challenges we face in ocean exploration are significant. The deep sea's extreme conditions require specialized equipment and technology. The pressure can be 1,000 times greater than at sea level, and the temperatures plummet to near freezing. Yet our curiosity and drive for discovery fuel advancements in technology. From the development of submersibles capable of withstanding the deep sea's harsh conditions, to the use of remote-operated vehicles that can explore the ocean floor, we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. The sea is more than just a body of water. It is a world filled with life, a realm of mystery, and a source of endless fascination. It holds secrets that we have yet to uncover, stories waiting to be told, and a wealth of knowledge that could change our understanding of life on Earth. The sea, a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore and learn more about the sea's secrets, we are reminded of our planet's incredible complexity and the mysteries that still await us beneath the waves. With so much at stake, the protection of the sea is a responsibility we all share. The sea, a vast and beautiful expanse, is under threat. It faces several challenges, each as daunting as the next. Pollution is one such threat. Millions of tons of plastic are dumped into our oceans each year, harming marine life and disrupting ecosystems. Oil spills, too, wreak havoc, taking decades, if not centuries, to fully clean up. Overfishing is another significant concern. We're taking more from the sea than it can sustainably give. This imbalance is leading to the depletion of fish stocks, threatening not just the marine life but also the millions of people who rely on the sea for their livelihood and sustenance. And then there's the looming specter of climate change. Rising sea levels, warming waters, and ocean acidification are altering marine habitats, putting countless species at risk. These shifts in the ocean's chemistry are causing coral reefs to bleach and die, and marine species to struggle to survive. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's hope yet, and it lies in conservation. Around the world, efforts are being made to protect the sea. Marine protected areas are being established, fishing regulations are being enforced, and campaigns to reduce plastic use and clean up our oceans are gaining momentum. And there's so much we as individuals can do. We can be mindful of our plastic use, opting for reusable items instead of single-use plastics. We can choose sustainably sourced seafood, supporting fishing practices that are less harmful to the sea. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of the sea and advocate for policies that protect it. Each small action, when multiplied by millions of people, can make a huge difference. After all, the sea is not just a body of water. It's a source of life, a provider of resources, and a key player in our planet's health. So let's not take it for granted. Let's do our part to ensure its protection. The sea, a precious resource that we must strive to protect. So, we've delved into the wonders, the influence, the secrets, and the protection of the sea. We've unearthed the incredible diversity of life that thrives beneath the waves, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest whales. We've acknowledged the sea's immense impact on our climate, weather, and even our very livelihoods. We've navigated the mysteries that still linger beneath the sea's surface, and the endless quest of scientists and researchers to unravel them. We've also underscored the urgent need for conservation, for protecting this vast, vital ecosystem that is threatened by pollution, climate change, and overfishing. And through it all, we've hopefully fostered a greater appreciation for this awe-inspiring entity that is the sea. It's not just the salty water that covers most of our planet. It's a world teeming with life, holding secrets, shaping our existence, and awaiting our responsible stewardship. Remember, the sea isn't just a body of water. It's a vital component of our world and our lives. It deserves our respect, our fascination, and our protection.